Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Google Home Mini. A factory reset can resolve many common issues, like connectivity problems or unresponsiveness, by returning your device to its original settings. This is also essential if you're giving your device away or selling it, ensuring all your personal data is erased. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to complete, preparing your Mini for a fresh start or a new owner. To begin, locate the small, recessed button on the underside of your Google Home Mini. It's usually found near the power port, often marked with a small circle or a tiny dot. You might need to gently turn your device over to clearly see it. This tiny button is the key to initiating the factory reset process, so make sure you've identified it correctly before proceeding to the next step. Once you've found the button, press and hold it down firmly for about 15 seconds. You'll hear an audible confirmation that the reset is beginning, and the 4 LED lights on top of your Mini will illuminate. Continue holding until you hear a second, distinct chime, indicating the reset is complete and all data has been erased. This ensures a full factory reset, preparing your device for a fresh setup. After the reset is complete, your Google Home Mini will be in its original, out-of-the-box state. The LED lights will turn off, and the device will be ready for a new setup. Simply open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet and follow the on-screen instructions to add your Mini as a new device. You'll be able to connect it to your Wi-Fi network and customize its settings once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.